Hello, I'm Darren Grunwald. I'm a product specialist for Bobcat. Today I'm going to show you how to connect and disconnect your mid-mount mower. As always, refer to your operation and maintenance manual before you get started.
To install your mid-mount mower, make sure the mower is on flat, level ground. Secure the wheels by turning them to keep the attachment from moving. Start your machine and engage four-wheel drive. Slowly drive over the attachment. Stop the machine, engage the parking brake, place the controls in neutral, and exit the compact tractor. Connect the front and rear mower locking pins. Connect the PTO driveline to the compact tractor mid-PTO shaft. To do this, retract the sleeve, slide the PTO driveline onto the PTO shaft until the sleeve slides forward and locks the driveline to the shaft. Check the connection by pushing and pulling on the driveline. Reposition the wheels forward before use. Before you start, adjust the mower to the desired cutting height by raising or lowering the wheels. Now that the mid-mount mower is installed, let's cover some operation basics. Enter the compact tractor. With the mower set to the desired height, move the engine speed control lever to low engine speed. Press the brake pedal and engage the mid-PTO system. Slowly release the brake pedal. The mid-PTO driveline will start to rotate and the mid-mount mower blades will begin to turn. Move the engine speed lever to increase engine speed to the correct RPM as indicated on the tachometer. Okay, after the job is done, you can remove the attachment. Here's how to remove your mid-mount mower. Move the engine speed lever back to the low idle position. Park the compact tractor and mower on flat, level ground. Disengage the PTO system, engage parking brake, and lower the attachment to the ground. Place all controls in neutral and exit the compact tractor. Secure the attachment by turning the wheels to keep the attachment from moving. Disengage front and rear mower locking pins. Disconnect the PTO driveline from the compact tractor mid-PTO shaft. Enter your machine and start your tractor. Engage four-wheel drive and slowly back over your attachment. Operating your Bobcat tractor and attachments properly and safely will ensure many years of service from your machine.
Visit bobcat.com to learn more about Bobcat compact tractors.